Hey guys, so this is the troubleshooting repository, and this project is basically meant for troubleshooting the SigNoz cluster, and we'll have a binary to basically test out SigNoz cluster. So let's get started. Here, there are multiple ways to install this binary to your machine. One way would be basically you can run the script, install script directly from after cloning the repository, and you can run the script, or you can run this one-liner. And it basically supports Linux and Mac OS or Darwin for AWS, for ARM64 and AMD. And the other way to basically get this binary is you cloning the repository and building it from the source. Now, how to run this? And if it's a binary that you have basically obtained from any of the previous steps, then you can run it directly troubleshoot the binary name and the check endpoint and basically passing the endpoint here, which would be like localhost 4317. So this will be the endpoint of OTel collector gRPC endpoint. And in case of Docker, we can directly run this one-liner, which will basically do is Docker run interactive mode and remove the basically container if it's exits, or if it succeeds, or if it fails, basically if it exits. And this is the repository Docker repository here, SigNoz/troubleshoot, and other steps remain the same. Similarly, for Kubernetes also we can actually have this. We can follow this one-liner, which is like platform namespace, pod name, and image name here, and other flags basically. And in the last we have this is the binary, and this is the command line, basically arguments here. So these are the instructions. Let's see them in action. All right. So here we can see this SigNoz cluster up and running, and we can see 4317, which is the gRPC port, is exposed from this Docker file. And here you can see this is the cloned troubleshoot repository, and from here we can basically do go build to build from the source. It should basically produce the troubleshoot binary here. You can run this directly, or we can basically remove this and we can run the script. So since I have the repository cloned, I'm running this directly, but you can run the one-liner as well. Now let's execute this binary. So troubleshoot, check endpoint, and passing the endpoint, which is localhost 4317. As I previously mentioned, 4317 is exposed here. So this should be accessible in localhost. If it's not, so it will be like respective OTel collector endpoint or IP address there. So after executing this, I found out so checking reachability of SigNoz endpoint, successfully sent sample data to SigNoz. So that means our cluster is up and running and it's working. So yeah, that's all. Thank you.